In this video we'll see the three-phase design of the induction motor. Initially we had seen the single phase design. Here for creating this we go on new model, 2D model. We are creating a 2D, we need a magnetic field, we add this. Then study we are doing in frequency domain, we add this, and that's all. I have added already. So the basic geometry parts is similar as the single phase. This is the stator, we can see. Then we build an internal circle, we create a, this will be the basic stator. Then for coil we create the dimensions, we duplicate it. Here all, as we had discussed earlier, we have mentioned the parameters in this parameter column. Ci, Co will be the coil radius and all, start angle, and the outer coil, outer stator radius, inner stator radius, and so on. So in this we have given the start angle as you can see, we have given at 20 degrees. So total number of 18 coils are created. Then we take a difference we have to add these all also. Build selected, we create a rotor, then we give it a cover. Material same, we are using air is selected everywhere, and stator and the rotor is as soft iron. Then for the magnetic fields, here initially we had designed the poles, pole 1, 2, 3, using the density, current density. Now we are passing direct current to the coil. So in this we will be seeing three-phase with two poles. Three-phase design having two poles each. Each phase has two poles. So you can see R1 phase has this positive pole and this has negative pole. This will be positive, this will be negative. So the design of the pole is decided like it is alternate, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, and so on. You can see R1 phase is positive over here. Here I am passing the current. I0 is defined in the parameters. Then Y1 phase will be negative. Here you can see the angle will be 2 pi by 3. In three phase, all the phases will be at 120 degree each, separated. So initially it is at 0 degrees, this will be at 120, and this will be positive because initial phase was negative. Then this will be positive at 240 degrees, and so on. We continue making it positive, negative. You can see order positive, negative, positive, negative. So in this we are creating, in this way we'll create the phases. R1 phase has two poles. You can two pole meaning, right, it is having two poles, pole 1, two poles, positive pole and a negative pole. Similarly, if we are building a 4-phase model, then in that case we need two positive poles, two negative poles, two positive, two negative, two positive, two negative. In that case total number of coils required will be 12. You can calculate that. Here we can see the mesh we have built. Then we go on study, we have taken frequency as 50 Hertz. We compute this. Almost done. Here also you can see that the poles are created, 1 pole, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we, for seeing the animation, arrow size is proper, we build this. Here you can see the animation, it is rotating. This will be, you can see 6 poles are created.